out here in Arizona. I hope you guys aren't getting hit too hard with snow and bad weather. I've been watching the news and I haven't seen a lot of snowstorms, so that's good. And I'm so excited because I have my favorite accessory box, Luxury Divas. I did watch an unboxing. I don't know if you watched Vicki. She's just an awesome YouTuber. She is so sweet. Well, she had posted her video yesterday, and I'm like, okay, only for Vicki am I gonna cheat and see what she got. So it was a different type of box, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, I think I have the best subscribers ever on my YouTube channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I think this is $35 a month, and I do have a coupon code for $5 off your first box. So if you do want to try it, please feel free to use my coupon code. And if you sign up for like 3 months or longer, then it drops down to like, you know, 30 and 25 depending, because you can even get it up to a year. But this is one box. I will never stop. So let's get into it. As I said, I watched Vicki's channel, and I hope she doesn't hate me, but I made a comment on her video about one of the products in here that I pretty much said, I hope I don't get that. And I've never had that with Luxury Divas. The owners are great, the customer service is outstanding, but the product was just a little strange. So it comes nicely packaged, and they usually have a card who puts your box together with a piece of candy. Now this does not look like a piece of candy. This is pink lemonade with no artificial flavors. So I guess they're starting us on our health kick, taking away our candy. It says, welcome to 2020. This year is going to be amazing, and the new boxes are so much fun. Looking forward to what this year will bring. Love, Marina, XOXO. When you sign up for Luxury Divas, you pick out, like if you like gold or silver, you put what size you are. I think there's like 5 different selections. So that's why all the boxes are not going to be the same, because everybody has different likes. So let's see what. The first thing, I just grabbed it, was lip liners. I just did a video, I don't know in what order, I'll probably put that one first, but I got a bunch of lip liners and was discussing how I just find it too much work. Only because I make a mistake, I go to use the liner and then it goes up here, so they're just a lot of work for me. And we got Pink Blossom, and I don't know what it's like a dark, you can see the colors, but these are always nice, and I guess they're hinting to keep trying and practicing, because that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to use all this great makeup that I'm getting. I watched so many get readies with me. I watched Miranda from Doing Life with Miranda did a live and how she put on her makeup, and she just boop, 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 and she looks beautiful. So I got to get to that point. So the first thing is a Swell bottle, and Vicki was saying she wasn't sure if everybody got the same color. I think this is what she looked like, and tell me this is not a perfect Arizona bottle. So when we go out on the side-by-side, this is definitely something I can bring, because I already know you can use this for hot or cold. And it keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours, hot for 12. So this is like the perfect bottle if you're gonna do camping, you're gonna do walking, for all sorts of weather. And Swell is proud to support charity partners in efforts to bring clean water to the world's purest communities. So they donate. We love that. So that was the first item. There is a sheet that shows the prices, and not only does it show the prices, but if it comes in another color, you can buy that other color. So that's what's really nice. So the Swell bottle, stainless steel print insulated water bottle, retails for $24, and it's available in this multicolor. So I don't know if there's different multicolors. I thought Vicki got the same, but I could be wrong. And it's a little bundle. So they must pack a lot in this little bundle. So I'm kind of filming different. I'm filming at my table with this backdrop behind me that I've had for a while, and it's so wrinkled, so I'm gonna have to go get a new one. But I noticed since I film a little bit closer, I got all these wrinkles here. So, and I do have a birthday coming up, so I will be doing a birthday giveaway, but I gotta hide those things. And this package is so little, so let's see what they packed in it. The first thing is a shirt, and I'm looking for the size. I can already tell now. It looks like it's a jogging shirt, so that must be their theme with the water bottle and this. But I don't think my ladies are going to fit into this shirt. It's really nice, even if I unzip it, because not only do I have to pack the ladies in, I got to pack that big old belly in there. But it's so nice. It's got the, you can see this. So I really like it, but yeah, I can tell you it's not going to fit. So I found the things that Vicki showed. And, oh, let me give you the price. That was a black quarter zip pullover. It comes in black, blue, and pink. Mine's gray. So this must be the black. But these that I'm going to show you are long arm warmers with thumb holes. And I guess because their theme is like healthy, that when you go out and if you jog or walk, big if, in my case, you have these warmers. And trying to figure out what they were without reading this was a challenge. But I can tell you right now, I'm sorry, I have to laugh. They're nice, and actually, to be honest, I could wear these out when we do our little desert riding, because look at how warm it would be. Let's see if I can put my top down. So you don't even know that I have that on there. And actually I have to take back all my laughing, because these would be perfect. They'd get all dirty, but they would be perfect. So these are, again, the warmers, and they retail for $15. And I'm going to show you the picture because, of course, beautiful arms are in the picture. And they come in white, pink, red, and black. So the box, it's a great theme. But I just, when she was putting them on, 'cause she didn't know what they were, I thought it was pretty funny. I gotta see if she's talking to me. And the next thing, it looks like 2 pairs of socks. I'm a sock lover, because at night I throw on my socks. And these are the 2-pack Argyle and Aztec Cruise socks. So again, they're a perfect Arizona. Look at how pretty these are. So I do like these, and here's the white ones. So I love getting socks in boxes. And those retailed for $16, and the 2-pack lip liners, they retail for $10. But this, when I saw Vicki put it on, I'm like, I hope I get that. I go, I'm gonna be cursed because I made fun of the arm warmers. But there's a set of 3 bracelets. You can see the decorations. These are absolutely gorgeous. And try these on. Something I will not be wearing out into the desert. But I thought these were really nice. So let me know what you think of these. And these beauties, Filigree Charm Tricolor 3-piece bracelet set. And it's got silver, gold, and rose gold. Retails for $20, and this is obviously the only color it comes in. So just to recap, we got the shirt. I just don't think it'll fit me. I wish it did, because that's a nice pullover. Let me show you the picture here. But I just know it's gonna, my problem areas. And then we got those arm warmers, and the 2 packs of socks, this beautiful bracelet, the gorgeous water bottle that I can't wait to use, and the lip liners. This box retails for $110, and they do very good with their prices. They don't overprice their items. So I thought it was a great box. And again, there's some things in here like the socks and the bracelet and the bottle. Everybody will get the same. So let me know what you think. I think it's well worth the price. I think if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. I just love them. And now I have to apologize to them because I know I'm going to use those arm warmers. So please comment, comment, comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.